Hey there, crypto fam. Welcome back to a new guide into our sniper farming strategy. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild, wacky, and sometimes downright absurd world of meme coins. Are they the future of finance or just a viral internet joke? Stick around because we're about to unpack it all. And if you're new here, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single crypto adventure. Let's get started. So what's Soul Seller Bot? It's a Telegram bot designed to automate selling tokens on the Solana blockchain. With Solana's high-speed, low-fee network, this bot executes trades in milliseconds, which is critical for our strategy. Soul Seller Bot connects to your Solana wallet like Phantom or Soulflare and lets you set precise sell orders so you're never left holding the bag. It's perfect for memecoin traders who need to move fast in the wild world of pump.fun launches. Without this bot, you're just too slow to compete with the snipers. Trust me, speed is everything here. Now here's the strategy, and it's simple but powerful. Step 1, you create a memecoin on PumpFun. If you don't know how, pump.fun makes it super easy. Just follow their token creation guide, fund your wallet with some SOL, and launch your coin. The key is to generate some buzz before the launch. Drop some spicy memes on Twitter or Discord, maybe hint at a moon incoming to get the Deegans hyped. Step 2, before your token goes live, set up Soul Seller Bot. Head to Telegram, find or Soul Seller Bot and connect your Solana wallet. Fund it with enough SOL for fees, about 0.02 SOL per buy-sell cycle, plus some wrapped SOL, WSOL for purchases. Then, configure the bot to sell your entire token stack exactly 3 seconds after the launch. Why 3 seconds? That's when the snipers, those bots and traders hunting new tokens, jump in, pumping the price for a brief moment. Soul Seller Bot's speed lets you cash out at that peak before the price inevitably dips. Here's the magic. When your token launches on pump.fun, snipers and early buyers pile in, hoping to ride the initial pump. They're betting on a 10x or 100x, but you're smarter. By setting Soul Seller Bot to sell in 3 seconds, you're unloading your tokens at the top of that mini pump, often at a 2x to 5x gain. Depending on your initial investment, say 1 to 2 SOL, you can walk away with $100 to $600 in profits per launch. I've seen traders pull this off consistently as long as the market's hot and the hype is real. The bot's precision is what makes this work. Manual selling? Forget it. By the time you click sell on a DEX like Jupiter, the snipers have already dumped and you're left with crumbs. Soul Seller Bot uses Solana's fast blockchain and Jito validator fees, about 0.006 SOL per transaction, to ensure your sell order hits first. It's like having a cheat code for pump.fun launches. To maximize profits, time your launches when the Solana meme coins market is buzzing. Check X or CoinGecko for trending tokens, and don't get greedy. Taking $100, $600 per launch adds up fast if you do this a few times a week. Rinse, repeat, and stack those gains. That's the Soul Seller Bot strategy for pump fund launches. Fast, precise, and profitable when done right. Have you tried launching meme coins or using trading bots like this? Drop your results in the comments and let me know if you want a deeper dive into pump.fun or other Solana bots. If this helped, smash that like button, share it with your crypto crew, and subscribe for more money-making strategies. See you in the next video.